In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved on impact.com step-by-step guide. Approvals hinge on credibility, clarity, and fit. Before you apply, make sure you look professional. Use a domain email and a clear profile photo. Keep an active site or socials with fresh content. Know your traffic sources and promotional methods. Gather a few relevant links as proof. Set your payout details and prepare a short brand-specific note. Inside your impact.com account, complete every field carefully. Add your name or brand, upload a clean headshot, list your country, business, website, and social profiles, and write a tight 2 to 3 sentence bio. Weave in 1 or 2 keywords you want to be known for, such as tech review creator or personal finance blogger. Then open account, go to payment settings, and add your preferred method. PayPal or Payoneer often suits international publishers. Next, show evidence of reach and trust. Share 3 to 5 recent pieces of content, blog posts, videos, or newsletters, and back them with a simple media kit or screenshots showing monthly visitors, subscribers, or average views. Include examples of past affiliate or sponsored work with results if available. A one-page media kit with a short bio, audience demographics, traffic stats, and your top 3 links is plenty. Explain exactly how you'll promote each brand. For instance, commit to a 1 to 500 word review, add a comparison table, and amplify it through Instagram and a weekly newsletter with timing and frequency noted. Specifics help brands judge channel fit and conversion potential. Personalize every application. Briefly introduce who you are and your niche. Outline the content you plan to create and where it will appear. Link to 2 recent examples, and ask if there are creative or messaging guidelines you should follow. Read each program's terms so your tactics are allowed. Always disclose affiliate links with clear language, and consider an evergreen disclosure page you can reference from posts. If you're outside the US, set up Payoneer or PayPal, highlight where your audience lives, and if a program limits regions, politely ask whether global creator traffic can be accepted. After approval, publish what you promised with the correct tracking links, send a quick live update with URLs and timing, and monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings in Impact's reports. If performance is soft, test new placements or creative and share your learnings. If you're rejected, it's often due to inactive channels, vague plans, mismatched traffic, geography, or policy conflicts. Fix what applies and reapply. Thanks for watching.